The specialty of Old Silk Route is its serene villages and the peaceful lifestyle of the people living there. This is our third episode of the store plan video series. If you have missed the first two episodes, then please check the suggested video on the top right corner of your screen. I will also share the link in the description box below. Thanks to our travel associate Travelers Partners for arranging this tour for us. You can also book this package through them. For their contact details, please check the description box below. It's day 5. This is Agamlok Homestay. It's another beautiful property of Basera Farmstay. Early in the morning, we looked out of our window and were awestruck by the beauty of the surrounding nature. There are lush green mountain layers all around us. Fresh rays of sun coming between the mountains. Everything was fresh and pure.
ये बसेरा का रिट्रीट है, ऊपर का रिसोर्ट है।
तो इसमें जो भी आप ये जो खाना जो उगता है तो आप ही उगाते हैं क्या?
हाँ।
क्या क्या है उगाते हैं आप?
बाड़ी में, खेत में गोभी होगा, स्क्वाश, आलू, मटर, बीन्स, टमाटो, गार्लिक, सब अपना ही बाड़ी में है।
तो आपका जो इधर जितना भी वो उगता है वो उससे ही इधर कुकिंग होता है क्या?
हाँ, वही जो टूरिस्ट को वही दे देगा। मार्केट से बहुत कम खरीदता है।
Here they serve food cooked with their fresh veggies to the guests. We had puri sabji of farmed fresh potato and chickpeas in our breakfast. After breakfast, go for the day tour following the Silk Route trail. First in this route, visit Rolep Hanging Bridge. It will take around 30 to 45 minutes to reach Rolep Hanging Bridge from Agamlok Homestay. There are two bridges. First is the old one, a footbridge which is slightly damaged now. But you can safely cross this bridge on foot. We enjoyed a walk on this one and got a gorgeous view of the flowing Rangpo river from the middle of this bridge. The new one is a concrete bridge and a motorable one, which stands beside the old one. But only 40 tons of load is permissible over this bridge at a time. Crossing the bridge, go to the bank of the river. Here you have to cross big boulders, which is lot of fun. From the riverside, enjoy the beauty of lush green mountains and the little river flowing over the boulders. Spend some quality time here. Next, move towards Buddha Falls. It is another scenic waterfalls inside a dense forest. It took around half an hour to go to Buddha Falls from Rolep. You have to climb down some steps to reach the side of Buddha Falls. The falls area is surrounded by lush forest. The water rolling over huge rocks, the dense forest, sound of cricket all make this place a mesmerizing one. From Buddha Falls, go to visit Aritar. The place is famous for a beautiful emerald boot-shaped lake, which is also known as Aritar Lake. It will take around an hour to reach Aritar from Buddha Falls. We first went to see Aritar village and took rest for some time in a homestay. The homestay also includes a farm where they grew fresh veggies and keep some chickens. There is also a big flower garden inside the homestay. We saw large variety of flowers there. We had our lunch there and after lunch went to visit the lake. Next, proceed towards Mankhim Top. It is a viewpoint on top of a hill. There is a small trekking route to reach the hilltop from the side of this lake. The trek time will be around 1.5 hours. But due to time shortage, we went Mankhim top by car. In this route also, you have to climb few steps to reach the hilltop. There is a small temple dedicated to Lord Shiva on top of this hill. From the viewpoint, you can get a gorgeous view of the lake below and the surrounding pine forest. From Mankhim top, go to visit Sri Vishwavinayak Mandir. It will take around half an hour to reach there. Sri Vishwavinayak Mandir is a Hindu temple dedicated to Lord Ganesha. The temple houses 51 forms of Lord Ganesha and main altar has a massive 12-foot tall statue of Lord Ganesha. At the main entrance, there is another giant statue of mythological demon versus gods Samudra Manthan. The architecture of the temple is brilliant. After finishing this temple tour, go to Gangtok and put up for the night there. Food and accommodation here cost around Rs 1,200 per person per day. The cab fare is around Rs 4,000 for 8 people. If you love this video, then please like and share it. Also, do let us know your opinion in the comment section below. Your opinion means a lot to us. We will come back with the next part of our journey in the coming week. Thanks for watching it.